something. I know y'all are here. Good morning, guys. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Stick here. Hey, we're out here on the Cumberland River today. Just gonna fish for maybe to 11 o'clock or something. It's like 90 degrees already. 6 o'clock in the morning. It's supposed to be like 105 today, so not gonna fish very long. Hopefully we're gonna catch some fish though. There is a ton of current out here today, and hopefully the big ones are biting. I don't know. Hey, I got Dale with me. Hey, everybody. So let's catch some fish. They should be stacked, dude. They should be stacked in these pockets. There's one. Oh, that was a good one too. Y'all come from Ashland City, y'all drove a long ways. 15 miles to here from down there. Oh, I don't know. Let me throw my Ned Rig down there. Keeper number 1 for a tournament. It's our first fish. Nice spotted bass. Numero 2-0. Okay. Good gosh. Oh, he's still on there. Yeah, is that the same one? Nah, can't skip a Ned Rig, huh? I tried skipping it. Oh, I guess you can skip it. Monster. Freaking monsters out here, dude. Huge smallmouth. Had my bait out here before I even seen them. All I seen was a big brown splash. Big brown gobbledygoo. Oh, he was way out here before I even realized he had it. That's terrible. That was terrible. Here's my constellation prize. Come on, babies. Should be somebody right here. Come on. Somebody's here. I knew it. Little guy. Y'all gonna have to get bigger than that. Man, it should be tight on this bank. Come on. That's a smallmouth. I just need you to gain about 3 pounds, buddy. Good. I'm glad you're throwing the crankbait. I was a little curious about if they'll hit it over here. Tail's fixing to break a pole in half back here. Another smallie. Just not the right size yet. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. We're still in deep water. Oh. Come on, babies. Y'all are tearing the hell out of this thing. Little fish just tear the hell out of stuff, don't they? Honeysuckle, ain't it? Looks like honeysuckle flowers. Scared you to death, didn't I, brother? He was still squirming when I pulled him. Little better one. Nice little smallie. It's a chunker, dude. Mm-hmm. Man, they are hungry today, guys. Hungry. That's the way I like it, Dale. Hey, fish whore, ain't I? Huh? Fish whore, huh? Yeah. Fish hogger. Get out of that tree, buddy. Doubling up. Man, we're catching a ton of fish. Just not very big ones yet. Oh, Dale. Dale, what'd you do, buddy?
What's about the
Let me tell you what you caught. The smallest fish of the day.
Yeah, and I've had 3 or 4 smaller than that.
There we go. It's a pretty one, Dale.
Mm-hmm.
Citrus shad.
DT6.
It's a pretty one. All right, Dale's finally catching up now. He's pretty. Chunker bunker.
Mm-hmm.
We're about 35 now.
Where I lost that one, I paralleled it and he hammered it and come off.
Thanks, buddy. Largy. Hybrid.
Yep.
A hybrid.
Yep.
Where's his top fin?
Right there.
Oh, I thought it was gone.
We got a little sore on the top.
Oh,
Yep, that's a dang heartbeat. He's got a teeth there.
TWRA considers that a largemouth.
Yeah.
All right, 8 o'clock. We're about 35, 37 fish. Let's go get into some big ones, Dale. Dale, let's catch some big ones.
Yeah.
I know, y'all can't resist the Senko. And out of the current. It's ripping right there. Oh God. Almost missed you. It's a pretty one. It's a pretty one. He tried to hit you with the Senko. Did you see that? Heck, he pulled drag on me. Smallmouth. 'Cause 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 as hell, dude. Well, that was cool as hell. He hit it top water.
Oh.
All I did is I just set it. I'm like, he got it. He's got it. Got you a little smallie. That's the smaller. I think that's the biggest. Is that the biggest one today?
Yeah, probably.
There you go, guys. Nice smallmouth. Probably the biggest one so far today. There's some sitting right there. Wearing them out right here. Alright, guys. Alright, we're calling it a day. About 12:30, so it's starting to get hot. Feels like it's about 95 already. It's gonna be like 105 today, so cutting the day short. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.